Step 1. Visit the SIDH Portal, skillindiadigital.gov.in. Step 2. Click on Navachar. Step 3. Read about Navachar Mantra, program benefits, eligibility guidelines, FAQs, last date to apply. Step 4. Start your application. Step 5. Fill your basic details. Step 6. Add eligibility and location details. Step 7. Business information. Registration status. Business name. Step 8. Select your business sector. Step 9. Choose your current business stage. Step 10. What problem are you solving? Step 11. Explain your solution and what makes it unique. Step 12. Share your progress and achievements. Step 13. Share a challenge and how you overcame it. Step 14. How does your innovation help society? Step 15. Share your growth plan. Step 16. Upload your presentation. Use the template provided. Include all key points mentioned. Step 17. Accept declaration and click Submit.